Hi, I am Richie Ferdinand Ibas, 22 years old, recently graduated at Lourdes College, Cagayan de Oro City, with a degree of Bachelor of Science in Hotel and Restaurant Management. I am well motivated, a team player, willing to be trained, and a goal-oriented person. During my first on-the-job training at Crown Regency Hotel and Twin Towers, Cebu City, I've been assigned in housekeeping department as a room attendant and a public area attendant, and F&B services as a bartender and a waiter. The supervisors love me because I am a good listener and a very passionate person. My second on-the-job training at Limket Cadillacs Hotel, Cagayan de Oro City, I've been exposed to housekeeping department as a room attendant and the F&B department as a bartender and a waiter. I am very dedicated to my work and very punctual. I'm also cheerful at all times. I love serving guests and meeting other people. During my college days, I have exposed to many seminars and competitions. I also received many awards from bartending and barista. I have learned many things at school and apply it on my working area. Thank you for watching my video resume and hope to hear from you soon.